Here's what happened in Kitsap real estate for the week of March 8th through March 14th. 87 new listings in Kitsap County this week, and 13 price-reduced homes. Price-reduced homes continue to be unusually high for a hot seller's market. If you know anyone who needs any help understanding the importance of pricing their house sale well, please refer them to this video we recently did on how to get the highest possible offer price on your house. It has a lot to do with pricing your house correctly. Pending listings are 127 this week. The amazing statistic with pending sales this week is that 61% waived inspection. This is a 7% increase in waived inspections from last week. We're going to keep working hard to get the message out that buyers, you can buy a house even with these statistics and have an inspection. It is in the seller's best interest as well as the buyer's best interest to have an inspection on a home. There are 74 sold homes this week, and residential inventory is 191 homes for sale, 207 homes for sale, including condos. This means Kitsap County only has 16 condos county-wide. This is a 10% reduction in condos over the past couple weeks, likely a result of increased home prices in the area. As home prices go up, condo sales go up, therefore condo inventory goes down because condos are affordable, kinda, if you ignore the HOA dues. Cumulative days on market is 19 this week, down from 24 last week, so we're seeing less days on market, not a shocker. Average sold price in Kitsap County has increased from $563,000 to $613,000 in the last couple weeks. This is a 9% increase over a 3-week period. Now, not getting too excited about it, we're noticing, on average over 6 months, we've seen a 4 to 6% increase depending on the neighborhood. However, that shows you the volatility of the market. Home buyers, homes sold for 3.94% over list price this week. And we are still seeing in the field, buyers offer 10 to 20% over list price in order to get homes under contract. If you find this video valuable and you want to make sure that you see next week's Kitsap Real Estate Report, press that subscribe button. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you right here next week.